Home Remedies presents. Here's a trick to ripen avocados in just 2 minutes. Tested and reviewed. How much of a time crunch are you in? Do you need the avocado ready for dinner in a few minutes? Do you want to have it with tomorrow's lunch? Or maybe you want it for your weekend guacamole. Whatever the case, there are tricks for all time frames. You might be wondering, a ripe avocado in just 2 minutes. Yes, it is possible, thanks to the home hacks on how to ripen avocados. I will share with you 5 handy ways on how to do it. Let's see how. Number 1. Cut it in half vertically and remove the pit. Wrap each half in microwave-safe plastic wrap. Microwave on high for 2 minutes. When they are cool enough to hold, run the wrapped avocados under cold water so they stop cooking. Number 2. Here's another trick. Wrap the uncut fruit in tin foil and bake on a baking sheet at 200 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. If your avocado is too hard, it could take up to an hour for it to soften. Check every 5 minutes if it's not ripe in 10. Then remove your newly softened avocado. Leave it in the fridge for a few minutes to cool down. Number 3. If you need the avocado in 1 to 2 days, try placing it in a bowl or a paper bag with an apple or banana. Poke holes in the bag with a toothpick and leave it at room temperature. All of these fruits produce something called ethylene gas, which softens fruit by breaking down the internal cell walls and turning starch into sugar. Number 4. Uncooked rice produce ethylene gas, which helps fruits ripen. Leave an avocado in a bowl filled with uncooked rice and make sure it's covered on all sides. Bury it completely. A few days later, the avocado should be good to eat. Number 5. One last trick. Place the avocado in the sun and let sunlight work its magic. The warmth will help the avocado ripen quicker. How to store avocados. Make sure you don't just throw your avocados in the fridge because they are best kept at room temperature. But on the contrary, if your avocado has reached perfect ripeness, you can throw it in the fridge to slow down the ripening process, making it last approximately 1 to 3 days. So guys, I hope you liked today's video. Try it for yourself and let me know in the comments. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.